Welcome back to another video. This one is very spontaneous. We're getting my girlfriend a new motorcycle. Showed up to the dealership yesterday. They literally just pulled it out from service and it was still warm from the test ride. The dude said we literally showed up probably 5 to 10 minutes right after it was rolled out. We showed up, said, all right, we'll take the bike. And now we're here to officially pick it up.
I'm just completing the VIN check.
That's okay.
Looks nice in the light.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Commute mode right now.
Yeah, I'll probably switch it to, I think dynamic is the next one.
Yep. I really encourage you to give yourself a couple of evenings to relax.
I'll start it out for the first time.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. It needs an SC project, but you know, we'll get there.
SC's good. I just like
Yeah.
A little bit of storage here, so you can put your in a plastic baggie, you know, put your registration in there if you want to. Yeah. And your battery tender's right here.
Oh, that's pretty easy to get all that.
Yeah, we actually put that on there for you.
More room than my R6.
Oh, dude. My previous, I had an Aprilia Tuono.
Oh, nice.
The 1000, the old V-twin.
Yeah.
There was like almost no room. There's crazy no room. It's excellent customer service, and I really mean that.
You've been great.
Thank you.
You've been great.
Thank you. We want every part of our dealership to be like that for you.
Yeah.
So finance and parts and the service. But we want you to look at this, be perfectly happy.
Very nice.
Traction control is a Ducati. I set it at 4, never touched it after that. Just, I wanted it to be unobtrusive.
That's it. It's final after that. You've accepted it. No
You as well.
No.
You're signing.
Oh, I gotta sign too?
I will hold
this.
for you. Is it recording?
Yeah. I just want your autograph, dude.
I know, I appreciate it. You can sell and make some money. One day.
Absolutely. We'll hold on to it.
You have to back up far away to get everything.
Oh, it's super zoomed in, that's why.
Yeah.
Let me fix that.
Okay. I'm gonna go get my tools.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this on for you. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna hand you this. Put it in your pocket.
I mean, at least Yamaha has nice looking keys. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Better bike or better key?
Oh!
Hey! Is that recording?
Yeah, it is recording. That's funny.